This is day 2. Hello, this is day 2. What we're going to take off today is I'm going to take off the EGR and also the EVP, the EGR valve position sensor. So I'm going to be taking those off. Just continue doing what I'm doing. I had to put this together to get off the exhaust tube that goes into the valve, because it was hadn't been off since this car had been put together. This truck had been put together, so it took a lot to come off. But this thing really helps. You get a lot of leverage here. So. I'm going to go ahead and take the battery off too. Should have done this to begin with. Okay. Okay, so we're taking off the EGR valve right now. off the, we have a vacuum line here that I took off, so I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna mark that. I'm gonna mark that vacuum line. So I've taken off the EGR valve, and now I'm going to go ahead and mark the tube, the vacuum tube that went to it. So, and that's what a EGR valve looks like on a Ford, plus the sensor on top. Drop my pen. Zero degree connection. And for this tree vacuum line, I'm just using the designation of 0 degrees, 90 degrees to know where they go when I reinstall everything. Doing all right. All right. I'm going to go ahead and take off this plate here because it's obstructing my view of the vacuum tree. Alright, now I got a little more room to work with there. Okay. Hell am I at now? A lot going on here. I gotta figure out what I need to take off now. Okay, there's the lines to the water pump. Okay, I've removed the three tube unit here of vacuum tubes off the vacuum tree. I took off two other vacuum tubes. One is a main one, which is this guy right here, the main tube that went right here. Went right there. I'm not sure. I lost tape. I came to the end of the end of the tape, so I'm not sure where I left off. But what I wanted to, I took off the vacuum tubes off the plenum. All the vacuum tubes that were going to the vacuum tree, which is attached to the plenum. Took all those off and marked them. Next thing I did was I took off the two bolts for the shroud, for the fan shroud, which also held on the coolant return from the bottom of the throttle body back into here, back into the radiator cap, radiator filler. So now, since I can't get this off because the fan's in, I'm going to have to take off the fan.